Arrive in style with this Ford 2019 F-150. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are engine, 3.5L V6 EcoBoost included, auto start-stop technology, 3.31 axle ratio, gross vehicle weight, 7,000 lbs payload package, electronic locking with 3.31 axle ratio, voice-activated touchscreen navigation included, pinch-to-zoom capability, Sirius XM Traffic and Travel Link. Note: Sirius XM Traffic and Travel Link includes a 5-year prepaid subscription. Sirius XM Traffic and Travel Link service is not available in Alaska or Hawaii. Sirius XM audio and data services each require a subscription sold separately or as a package by Sirius XM Radio Incorporated. If you decide to continue service after your trial, the subscription plan you choose will automatically renew thereafter, and you will be charged according to your chosen payment method at then current rates, fees, and